Hiya, sir. Hiya. Hashem Yeshaya, walk on our walk. My name is Shabbat. I'm original. Navajo and Apache Indian of this land. And according to the Bible, we're Hebrew. Wicked Pharisees, scribes, said heathen killed Christ, put him up on the cross, and gave him over to the Roman eagle for 30 pieces of silver. They killed him for positions of power, John 11:48. He was not born on December 25th. Luke, the 2nd chapter, tells you that he was born during the harvest. There was a prophetess by the name Adam, prophesying the redemption of Christ. No one wanted to hear her because she was a female. But male and female, he made them what? In his image, Genesis 1:27. For there are three that bears witness in heaven, Father, Son, Mother, and these three are all one. One what? One family. The first person that Christ spoke to when he arose from the dead was a what? A woman. John 20:17, and told her to go do what? Public speak, better known as preaching. I cannot tell you what I saw if I do not public speak. So, he told the Pharisees, scribes, and Sanhedrin to cleanse what's inside of their mind, Mark 7, and come back to the Father, so they had to put him to death. Your pastor, your preacher, your false prophet, your false prophetess. Where does it state that you're supposed to charge for the Bible? Proverbs 23:23, buy the truth and sell it not. Also wisdom, instruction, and understanding. Christ gave his life freely. Freely you have received the gospel. Freely you shall give. Give what? Your life as a living sacrifice. You see that? You're not supposed to charge for the Bible. Therefore the Most High has stated, can you hear the sound of the Messiah knocking? I've heard the knocking of the Messiah in the spiritual realm. And it's time, and he is here, and it's time. He is even at the door. He's knocking, and I've heard it. You see that? That's what time it is. He's also stated, it's time for you to bury your Christmas tree. It's time to put away the Christmas tree. Christmas means Christ's murder. You see that? It's time to put away your Christmas tree. And on his head is many crowns. I see them in the sky, with many crowns on his head. You see that? So, repent and believe. Mark 16:16. Be baptized by the blood of Christ while you have no time left. You see that? No more time left. So, in 1998, a burst of light entered my body. 2006, he took me to hell and back. How you doing? You believe in the Bible? Took me to hell and back. 2008, he showed me a vision concerning this place. I tell you what I saw. I saw a bomb in Chicago first. Came back years later and showed me another vision. It said Jamestown, Virginia, the last thing. When the Pilgrims got here on my land, one of the first places that they set up a religious institution was Chicago. But the Bible defines religion according to the book of James is all man-made. That's why you can go in a mosque, a shrine, a church, a synagogue, they'll roll your head smooth, clean off. Albeit the Most High dwelleth in temples not made with hands, said the prophetess. Heaven is his throne, the earth is his footstool. What house can he build for him? Book of Acts is Isaiah. Harlot houses, see that? Jeremiah 5:7, whore house. See that? So, don't supposed to be up in those churches. And Christ died, the temple was split in two. Know ye not that your body is the temple of the Most High. See that? How you worship the Most High in your mind. So, showed me coming out in wine, and he split the Egyptian sea 7 ways, and we went over dry shop. That's the real reason why they're bombing Yemen. That's Isaiah the 11th chapter. They are the Sabians, according to the book of Isaiah and the book of Joel. That's the real reason why they're bombing Yemen. He said this place will be up in smoke by 2019. This is not the year 2019. This is not the year 2025. One day to the Most High is like 1,000 years, and 1,000 years like into one day. According to the book of Hosea and the book of Peter, we're at the end of day 2019. And that's where they get it from. Judgment Day Terminator. Are you ready to get terminated? terminated by the Lion of Judah. He's knocking at the door. He's knocking in spirit. Half man, half God. He would not meet thee as a man. The daughter of Babylon, formerly my land also. See that? In the mixed kingdom of Edom, all around. You see that? And God himself, higher, higher. He's not a man that he should lie. You see that? So, when you ready to get terminated by the Lion of Judah, knocking at the door, it's time to bury your Christmas tree. He's about to bury your Christmas tree. What did you call God?